AI trading platforms, StockHero review. StockHero is a powerful automated stock trading bot, enabling over 1 million trades since 2021. Its friendly interface lets users set trading conditions without needing any coding knowledge. Users can test strategies on a simulated paper exchange before real trading and access effective bots on the bots marketplace. The user interface is designed for effortless understanding, allowing users to set up strategies and access features from their phone. StockHero provides intelligent bots designed for various market conditions, enabling traders to execute advanced strategies and tactics. The proprietary backtest engine provides quick bot configuration results and limitless backtesting for strategy perfection. Each backtest includes detailed trade data and performance indicators. The bots marketplace lets beginners rent expert-developed bots, and successful bots can be leased for extra revenue. TradingView integration allows setting bots to buy or sell stocks on TradingView signals. Users can automate trades through their brokerage or use StockHero as a signal provider for manual trading. Two types of traders are served: those who use backtested strategies and those who prefer automatic trading for beginners. The quick backtest tool boosts trading plan confidence by evaluating bots' performance before deployment using historical data. This allows for strategy improvement and reduces surprises. The team's trading experience and exceptional customer service ensure user support, even during holidays. The company continuously strives to improve and innovate for users' benefit. Every version release is seen as a step towards a larger goal, always aiming to be the best. The trading bot automatically conducts trades based on user-defined entry and exit settings, with no minimum trading amount required. StockHero is available worldwide for users with a trading account with one of the partnered brokerages. Currently, supported brokers include TradeStation, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Alpaca, DeGiro, and Stake UK and Australia, with more to be added in the future.